Good morning, dear students. I'm Ranjit Ekka. I will teach you Social Studies of Class 5. Dear students, you had heard or studied about solar system or planets in previous classes. Our Earth, where all we live, also is a planet. Our Earth, where all we live on, is also a planet which revolves around the sun. Students, today we learn about Chapter 1. The topic is Earth, the Blue Planet. Earth, the Blue Planet. Earth is a unique planet. Earth is a unique planet because of it has most favorable condition for life, because all the living things can live on Earth. 71% of its surface is covered with water. 71% of its surface is covered with water, and remaining 29% of area is land. Here we see the more parts are covered with water and less parts are land. So because of more water, it seems blue color. It seems blue color means because more waters are covered the more parts of the earth, so blue color dominates on earth, on the planet. That's why it is also known as blue planet. Okay, here some thing. Now we will learn about the continents. Earlier, or in the beginning, our Earth had one big consolidated landmass called supercontinent. In the beginning, it was known as a supercontinent. Scientists believed that it consisted of all the 7 continents and named them fungi. After sometimes scientists believe and they named it fungi. Fungi means the parts of the earth. Gradually, due to the geological activities, supercontinent broke up into different pieces and gave way to the continent and island. Means it broke up into different parts and became the continents and islands as we know them today. Now we'll see what is continent. We have heard about the continent, but what is continent? Means what are the continents? You can say large land masses are called continents. Large land masses are called continent. There are 7 continents. How many continents? There are 7 continents. The names are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. I shall repeat once more. There are 7 continents. Names are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. They have a great variety of physical features. Like forests, deserts, mountains, rivers, lakes, etc. Students, now we will see these all 7 continents one by one, because they all are different from each other in the terms of their physical features, terms of climate, terms of culture, etc. So now we'll see one by one. First we'll see about Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent. It has different physical features, climatic variation, cultural profile, all things are different from other continents. It has only 30% total land area of the earth. It has 30% total land area of the earth. It is home to 60% of the world's total population. In 30% total land area, 60% population used to live on Asia. That means more than half population are in Asia. Asia is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Arctic Ocean in the north. See, Asia is surrounded by oceans in three sides. In the east, it is surrounded by Pacific Ocean. In the south, it is surrounded by Indian Ocean, and in the north, it is surrounded by Arctic Ocean. The Asia's climate is mostly tropical. Asia's climate is mostly tropical. Tropical means where the climate is hot and wet. You will see now how this climate are there, how climates are in Asia. Himalaya, the tallest mountain range, is in Asia, which is uh, uh, in our country as well as near to our country. The Great Himalaya, the tallest mountain range, also is in Asia. Gobi Desert in China, the coldest desert, also is in Asia. So there are, you see the different physical features here. There are very tallest mountains also are present, and some of the areas the very cold deserts are present, and the Thar desert in India, the hottest, one of the hottest desert in the world, also is in Asia. Asia. So there are different physical features, you see the variation of physical features. That's why it is different from the other continent. Next we'll see now Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It covers almost 20.4% of Earth's total land area. It covers 20.4% of Earth's total land area. It is the second most populous continent. It is second most populous continent in the Asia. You see 30% land areas were covered and 60% population was there, and here it is 20.4% areas are present and 15% of population is in Africa. Africa is surrounded by different oceans. The Indian Ocean in the east, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, the Southern Ocean in the south. Africa also is surrounded by oceans. Indian Ocean is in the east side, the Atlantic Ocean is in the west side, and the Southern Ocean in the south side. Okay. Mediterranean Sea separates Africa from Europe. Between Africa and Europe, there is one sea. Its name is Mediterranean. Its name is Mediterranean, that separates Europe and Africa. The equator passes through Africa. Equator passes through Africa. Equator means the imaginary line found in globe or in map. Later, next chapter we'll see about this equators and other things. More than half of Africa is covered with dry lands and deserts. The more deserts are hot deserts are present in Africa. More than half of the areas are covered with desert. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the hottest desert in the world. You might have heard about Sahara Desert. This desert is present in Africa. So dear students, enough in this video. Next video I will teach about remaining continents. So thank you and have a nice day.